Hello everybody, my name is Dante Cozzi, and I live here in Italy. I am from New York originally. I'm an artist and photographer, and I was teaching university in the United States, and I moved to Italy, and I love it here. But I couldn't drive here, and luckily I found Ambrish, and I found his school, and it was the most wonderful thing that happened to me in terms of getting my license and getting on the road to driving. The test was just like this insurmountable mountain for me, because if you don't speak Italian, and even if you do speak Italian, the questions are orchestrated in a way that even Italians fail the exam. So an Ambrish is patient, he's kind, he's ever so knowledgeable about this information and about tons of other things. And I can't say enough about my experience in his school. It was enjoyable, and he will not leave you until you pass your exam, and he will even take you through the practical driving end with help. Just an amazingly kind and self-giving human being. And I don't want to make this too long because there's two things that I really don't like doing. It's leaving phone messages and making videos. So I wish you all well if you are from if you're from the United States, if you're from Europe, if you're any place, if you're Italian, and you just try Ambrish, and good luck to you. Thanks. Bye-bye.